How to get free SHEIN codes. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, launch any of your preferred web application. In my case, I will be using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in SHEIN coupon code. You will see various coupon codes website. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and select the very first one that says Retail Me Not. Open it. Likewise, you will also see offers up to 90% off. You will see 15% cashback and other offs as well. If you would like to do a free shipping, you may go ahead and select this button. Now in my case, I'm going to go ahead and select the 20% off. You will see a code here, copy it. And likewise guys, you may go ahead and paste the code under payment method in your SHEIN checkout page. Just like so, this is how you can easily find various free SHEIN coupon codes. That is all for today guys. Thank you all for watching, and if that helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.